Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online by downloading free files. It pays with PayPal and available worldwide. A perfect side hustle for regular people like you and me. You can start making money right now with this free website that I'm about to explain to you. And you can put it up on Autopilot to create even more revenue. You'll also discover how to increase your productivity and potentially earn more money. So make sure to watch the video until the end. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. Okay, so today I have a couple of very interesting and simple strategies for you. But please be patient and stay with me until the end so you don't miss important bits of information on how to properly set up things that I'll give you throughout the video. Otherwise, it won't work as intended and you won't be able to make a lot of money. Anyway, plrminds.com, which is one of the two sites I'll be showing you today, will be a part of the plan today. PLR Minds is a website that sells a variety of digital products, such as ebooks, video courses, website designs, and software. What makes this special is that you can download and use the goods for free as long as you have the appropriate permission. Product label rights, PLR, refers to the ability to download an ebook. For example, you could resell it, customize it, and then resell it. You can practically do whatever you want with the products on this site because you have permission to do so. However, I don't want to give the wrong impression. We're not selling anything, and you won't need any sales skills or anything like that, as I mentioned in the introduction. By clicking on freebies here, you can see exactly what we have on this site. You have free ebooks and graphics at your disposal, which you can download and use. You will, however, need films, which are often video lessons, as seen below. And the majority of them are put together to form a course of some sort. Free templates such as the site templates I discussed previously are available. Finally, you have a wide range of software options. To acquire one, all you have to do is click here. This will take you to the page where you can select from a number of different products. In my situation, I just selected movies to demonstrate how this works when choosing what to download. Simply click on Grab It Now, scroll down a little till you find a download button right here, and download this product, which you may then give away for free to others as long as you have the license. So keep in mind that you won't be able to get it immediately away. The download button will be disabled instead, with the option to unlock it by liking them on Facebook or something similar. It will only take you approximately 10 seconds to complete. You can register and create an account by clicking Join in the upper right corner if you don't want to do that. But it's not required, which is why I didn't do it myself. In any case, the goal of this website is for you to get files that you will then upload to other platforms. I strongly suggest you to use the videos because they are the most profitable. Of course, you can use other items, and you should download at least a couple of them. Come over to upload-forever.com, the second platform that will genuinely compensate us. This is a free cloud storage service that allows you to share files. In essence, you will upload things to the site and be notified when someone downloads them. A particular amount of money will be sent to you. When someone clicks to download one of the video courses you provided, our site will display multiple advertisements before allowing them to download the files, and you'll receive a portion of the advertising revenue, making it a win-win situation for everyone. Advertisers get the traffic they want, and the site divides the advertising revenue with individuals who downloaded the course for free. They are adamant in their refusal to pay anyone. All they have to do to get paid is download a file and that's it. Furthermore, getting someone to download a 100% free course, website design, and whatever it is instead of paying for someone is much easier. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. If you're an affiliate, and if that isn't enough, the money you make will be almost entirely passive. And all you have to do is send a dozen or so files to the site. Users may continue to download anything you've published months, if not years, after you've actually uploaded them, because the site has regular monthly traffic. You'll also forget about them. And yet, you'll still be paid as a newbie with no skills or experience making money online. Visiting this website is one of the most effective ways to get started. Anyway, if you go to the top of the page and select Make Money, you'll notice that you're paid for every 1,000 downloads. That's how it works. But I didn't want to give you all of the details. You'll find a list of all the ways you can get paid below, which includes not just a vast number of alternatives, but also some of your personal favorites. The most popular methods are PayPal and cryptocurrencies. If neither of these options appeal to you, our site offers a variety of other payment options. Now, if you have any doubts about the site's credibility, or if this seems to be so straightforward, simply click on Payment Proof to view proof of people being paid varied sums of money every single day using a variety of aforementioned payment methods. After that, the first step to begin uploading files on this site is to register, which you can do by clicking sign up and entering your username, password, and email address. You can also provide payment information right now, such as your PayPal account. You can do it later if you want to, or you can do it now. Once you've completed the CAPTCHA by clicking on I'm Not a Robot and click on sign up, you're ready to go. When you create an account and log in, this is how everything will seem. And it's rather lovely. You may need to click on Upload Files here and then open them from your PC to upload files. The amount of money you made is right next to it. Simply click the Request Payout button below to be paid. And by the way, one of the best features of this site is that there is no requirement that you have a certain amount of money in your account before you can remove it. You can withdraw without difficulties even if you've only made $1 or less. Furthermore, with this number, you will have ample space to submit your materials. You may simply upload hundreds of them, which could result in a substantial amount of passive income. We'll just repeat the same steps over and over again. To get rewarded, go to plrminds.com and download a handful of files. Then come back here and post them. If you don't like the number of files available on plrminds.com, there are many more PLR websites you can utilize. FreePLRdownloads.com is one of them, and it works in a similar way. In any case, the recommendations are the last aspects of this website worth considering. People can make money by uploading files, therefore referring them to this page is a great idea. If you share our site with other Make Money Online groups on Facebook, for example, it's likely that some of them will be able to click on your affiliate link, which is neatly listed below. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how you make money online by downloading free files. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.